for my first test, the first one didn't work all that well, so you're going to change the max view and the vertical to 30 and 19 and for this canvas, and on the mixed reality toolkit, once it's converted to 3 minimum, 3.2, 3.1, and the reason is you want the menu to move as little as possible because the headset, it will get in the way. So you want to just be able to barely touch it, because when you're like running with it or something, trying to chase the ghost, like, and it's too close, like it's on the sides right here, it will get in the way and you can't see the ghost. And I also changed, so when you make a mesh ghostable, and then you say I want it invisible, but I want it to follow the player, which you put the follow component in, then and turn off the boss collider, it won't ghost it. So you still want to render it, but you have to make it transparent. And in that transparency, you can change the alpha. What the fuck did I just do? Right. Somewhere, there it is. You can change this to 0, 0, 0, 0. And transparent, it's invisible. So then the ghost becomes, or the cube becomes invisible, and it's not, it doesn't block anything, because when you're out there and there's like sun and stuff, it'll block the cube, so you won't be able to see it, when you're trying to chase it or intercept it, or whatever the case may be. So those are the two things that had to be changed. You want to, so the menu just stays in view, because if it's not, it's going to get caught. Like, you're going to be running and it's going to get in your face or whatever. The box there, it's going to get in your face. And then the ghost mesh has to be just a default mesh, or just the default to be able to be seen. So yeah, that's it. Those are the changes to make it better.